Hello viewers, good afternoon. So again June 2011 we will solve activity number 3 activity number 2 using spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet MS Excel, same. So we will move to art and imaging, and this is spreadsheet. Assess. Kiran wants to use a spreadsheet to record the competition results. She has created the file times and entered some test data. The results are shown in the seconds. Task SS1. This gray area is very important. Open the spreadsheet times. Okay, so we will open paper 2011. This is a time already open. So this is a workbook, consists of one sheet 1. Okay, now enter task 1, your name, candidate number, center number and a photo end of the spreadsheet. So you will go there, go to insert, and if it is not coming here, go in this icon, text, header and footer, and you will go to the, you can move down from here. Here, so task SS1, name, and then because here are 3 boxes, so in one box 2 and other here ID 1 and center 90005. So this is, you can move from here and you can change into a normal mode. See, normal, this was a page mode. Okay, that will be easy. Okay, so if you see the page wise, then it will come, or if you can see print preview, then it will come. So no need to be worried. Okay, so normal view, just movement is easy. Okay, so next is this, we have entered save the spreadsheet as a task SS1. So we can, it is already saved on, so because it was already saved with the name times, so what we will do, we will save as with the name task SS1 in the same folder 2011. Okay, now next is Kiran wants to improve the layout of the spreadsheet. Merge cells A1 to J1 and enter this one. So see, copy this and A1, this is column heading and this is row number, column ABCD and row 1 2 3. So select from here to till J and click on merge and Control V. Okay, so we'll check, increase the rows height. Now we will check in the paper, right click and copy, and we will paste here. Data you pasting is time size as your selection, and do you want to paste anyway? Yes, it's not coming, huh? So what you will do, you will type Pentathlon, you will check the spelling, Pentathlon results boys. Okay, make it capital also, Penta THALON, Pentathlon results boys. Okay, so this is the heading. Now next, format the title in row 1 to font size 20 bold. So this is a row 1 again, so bold and 20. Okay, so just follow the steps. So this we have done. format the labels in row 3 to be bold and centered. So these are the labels. Okay, select this, bold and centered. Okay, now check, the column width is very short now. Now double click here. This is okay. This column separator, you will double click here, all other okay. So if you want to make it equal, you can increase the age also, like this, and name little bit, but see, this is going out, this is a page. Okay, so we will go back and this and decrease this total. Yes, now it is within the page. Okay, so next, format the spreadsheet so that all data is visible. Use borders and shading to make the spreadsheet easier. See, 2 marks are there, and sometimes they ask in one sentence, make the sheet to fit for the purpose. Only this. So when they say fit for the purpose, so it means it should be well designed. So see, first put the borders. So we go to border and on all borders, see this one. Okay, and then increase this row height also, and this row height put some shading also. See, so in exam no color required, no, only black and white, so just gray color. Okay, and row size is also, you know, very small. So just click on this row and go to format and check row height, it is 1275. Okay, now select all rows, any column, these are the rows, go to format, row height, just instead of 1275 add 15. See, it's better now. Okay, and this numerical values always be in center, it's better. See, it's better now. Okay, so resave task SS1, don't print at this stage, so save it as SS1, already we have done, so we will not print at this stage. Now task B part of this, a new competitor needs to be added to the spreadsheet. Insert a new row between 5 and 6 and add this. Bruning, James, 16, 365. This data we will add. So go here, between 4 and 5. So you click on 4, right click, okay, and insert a row. Sorry, you will click on last row. You will click, so click on 5, right click and insert entire row. When they ask you insert a row between 4 and 5, so you will click on the number 5, then right click and insert. So this row, so what we will do, Bruning, sorry, all, not all capital, Bruning, James, 16, 365, 16, 365, 556, okay, 667, 449, 667, 449, and 364. Oh, sorry, we have mistake. It should be here. 449 and 364. This one. So we have inserted the record also, new record. So what is next? Resave. Print task SS1 on one sheet of A4. Make sure all data is visible. Okay. So save it again. Now Control P. See. So page 1 of 1. Data is visible, heading is visible, enough space from here, from top enough space. If space is very less from top, so go here in margins. Okay, move these lines down. Okay, this second line down, it will bring the data down. If for example, it is like this. This problem, students face this problem in exam. If data is more and there is no space, then we'll move up. If data is less and we want to create space on top, so move this second row. You will go to this margins and move this line, second line down. See, it will be like that. Okay, and if some column is missing from here, right side, so move this line towards right. It will create a more space, and then move this line towards left. Not here, you can move to adjust the data, but leave some space from here because printer needs some space from this. Okay, left side. So this is ready. Print, select the printer and you. But right now you will take the screenshot of this and paste in Word file. Okay, this is task SS1. 10 marks. Now SS2. Change SS1 to SS2 in footer of your spreadsheet. Save the spreadsheet as task SS2. Kiran wants to use the spreadsheet for calculation. Enter a formula in I4 to calculate the total time in seconds for Morton Anderson. So first we'll go here, go back. Okay, now where to go? For example, to check that one, again you have to open this one, so it will open for you header and footer. Okay, so move this, change this SS1 to SS2 and save this sheet as a task SS2. So in the same folder 2011, yes, we have saved. So bring in normal mode. So this is SS2 now. Now she says Kiran wants to use the spreadsheet for calculation in I4 to calculate the total time. This is I4, see row number 4, column I here. To calculate this, select all these cells and click on this sum. So it will write a formula for you. See sum T4 H4, or you can write manually equal sign sum D4 to H4 and double click here. It will replicate the formula also. Okay, so that has been done. So next is enter formula and Morton. Competitor qualify for the final if their total time is 24 seconds or less. Okay, enter formula in cell J4 that will display yes if Morton Anderson has qualified. Leave the cell blank if has not qualified. See, we will use if statement here. So here we will use if statement equal sign if bracket start. So they are checking this I4, value of this I4, this is total time. But what is the criteria it is given? If this criteria is lesser or equal 2400, then it is qualified. We will check again. If the total time is 2400 seconds or less, okay, display yes, otherwise leave the cell blank if he has not qualified. So go here. Okay, so I will repeat this. You will use if statement, bracket start, click on this cell, this I4, lesser or equal 2400, then this comes for then, quotation, qualify, else blank quotation only, nothing to display, hit enter. See, it is less than 24 or less than 24, so qualify. So see this. So those who have less than 2400 qualified, above 24 not qualified. Okay, so those who have not taken more time, they are not qualified. So heading okay, yes. this one. Replicate the formula and cell I4 and J4 for the other competitors. We have replicated all. Total also and qualify also we have replicated. Now print the spreadsheet on one side of A4 showing the formula view. You should make the page landscape. Make sure the columns are wide enough to display all information. Show the grid lines. Show the row and column headers. Okay. So open this worksheet. Now go to formulas. Okay. And then show formula. See, here we have written formulas. So we want to see formula for each member. Total formula and qualifying formula. This one for each row. So click on this, show formula. Okay. So quickly just reduce the column width. Double click here. Because formula takes more space, so it will go beyond the page. See, it is still beyond the page. It is coming on second page. So then they said change the orientation to landscape. See, now it is out. Okay. Now it is on one page. See, it is showing formula for each person, each member, I4, I5, I6. This is a formula view. If you want to go back, then you go to formula and click on this formula. It will go back. See, it will go back. But you have to, if you will go back, then you have to change the settings, adjust it. Okay, we'll go here. Now it's ready. What is next now? Columns of information, show the grid lines, show the rows and column headers. Yes. Now see, now check. Control P. Yes, here more space, so grid lines are visible. So move this line, bring it here. That is enough, and it's okay. Okay, and this task 1, this is also visible. That is perfect. But now here, what is this? Column A, B, C. It is not coming here, and row number 1, 2, 3 not coming here. These are known as grid lines. So we have to enable grid lines so that it can show column headings A, B, C, D, E, F and row number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so go back in the file and go here in page layout. Okay, then see grid lines and check this print also and headings also. So grid lines print, headings print. Make sure you have selected this. Now print Control P. See, row number coming and columns are also coming. When you will take the print out, so both will be part of the document. So it will be easy for the examiner that row 4 you have written this formula I4. Otherwise, if some student they don't print this row number, row 4, row 3, row 4 is not here. So how examiner will guess that you have written formula in I4? If row number is not there, your marks will be deducted. So this is complete. Print spreadsheet now ready to print. Yes. So it's ready to print. Select the printer and print. But now you will take the screenshot of this. Take the screenshot and paste in MS Word file. Result file. Okay. So all result you have to paste in one file. SS3. Open a new document using word processing software. Enter task 3. Now word processing. Okay. So it means Excel, just save it. Okay. And now go to word processor. Open MS Word. Create a new document. Insert same footer here. Task DB, sorry, task SS4, name here, ID 1, here center 90005. Double click here, you are in the page now. Okay, save it also. Go to file and save. With which name you will save? So we'll save in the same folder, desktop 2011 and task ss3. Okay, so we have saved the file. Now we'll move to the question paper. Kiran would like to present the boys results as a graph using spreadsheet task ss2. Create graph which displays the total time for each boys. The graph must be fit for the purpose, have a suitable title and labels, display boys first names, not display unnecessary information. Copy the graph into task ss3. Make sure it is suitable to be printed on A4 sheet and displayed on a notice board. Resave ss3. See, we will create a chart as your class teacher, display your result on a notice board. So it should be wide enough, it should be visible to all students and must have a clear picture. Okay, so we'll go here. Now which field we want to display? You are asked to display the name and the total marks. This is a sheet. Now you can use normal view or formula view, it is up to you, but we can use this. Okay, so see, select this first column. When you select first column, then press Ctrl key and hold. Okay, we will show first name. First name is there. Okay, so we will display, select with the title first name for all records, then hold Ctrl key and select this. Only we want to show the time, total time. Here is a time, but now we can see the formula only. Okay, now go to insert and chart, select this one. See, this is the chart. Okay, so you will highlight column, first column, then control and then second column. If they would say display qualify also, but this is not number, only result. They say for example 2 3 column, then hold on Control key and select this column, but in this we have to show two, first name and total time in minutes. So this is the chart. Okay, now open this page layout, chart design is already open. When chart comes, it is open already, so open it in full, or you can say you can go to the quick layout, it will be easy. So chart design is open, go to the quick layout and select this one. See where the title is there and vertical heading is also there and legend is also there and horizontal title is also there. So this always, see, total, names and this. What is this name? This title, boys first name. Okay, this is a first name, and this one, time in seconds. This is time in seconds. And this one, you can copy this boys pentathlon result. Okay, we will check if paste or not. So copy, click here and paste. See, it is not coming here. Okay, so because the cells are merged one, so we will type pentathlon results boys. Okay, so now chart is ready. Right click and copy, go in the word processing file, this one, and paste here. So chart is not movable, go to format and position and select this. Now you can enlarge it, make it visible, stretch it to a full page, because she want to display on a notice board. See, still space is there. First make sure what is the page layout. A4 sheet and displayed on notice board. Unnecessary first name, suitable title fit for the purpose. Yes. So there is no page layout. So it is up to you. You display it as a A4 landscape or portrait. So go in the layout and orientation, landscape or portrait. So chart, I think if records are more than landscape, these are only 10 records, less than 10. So portal is better. So move it up. It should be on one page. See now. So Control P. See, now it's ready to print and visible also and fulfills the requirement also. So take the screenshot of this, okay, and paste the result in your document file, result file. Okay, so this is SS4, and with this we have completed this is SS3. So we have completed the spreadsheet activity also. Total 3 activities and total marks 22. Okay, so this activity also completed. So I hope now it's clear to you.